Welcome to leg day. After you've looked at my first video and you've seen what I've talked about actually working out and the philosophy of working out, I specifically put this wall together to help you understand how to work out your legs. So we're going to go through each one of these machines and show you how each maneuver can be done. So for the novice, these are the basic machines you're going to be going through. And I do have somebody that's going to be doing each exercise with you. So effectively, you're going to be starting on the leg press, going to the hack squat, leg extension, leg curls, and you're going to be doing abductor and adductor motions. We're always going to complete with stomach and abs, which is at the other end of the gym, but there was a reason why all of these were put in this course. So stay tuned and we're going to show you each one individually. First machine we're going to talk about is called the leg press. Proper way to line your feet is on a slight angle outwards, ensuring that your ankle is totally down and is not off of the actual part that you're going to have your feet on. So then what you're going to do is raise it slightly, take off the security catches, and then you're going to lower it all the way down as comfortably as you can without your butt coming off of the seat. Then back up without locking your knees, and then continue, and you're going to try and get between 8 and 12 reps. When you're done, you put it to the top, put the catches back on, and rest it on there, and you're done. Second machine we're going to be talking about is called a hack squat. Similarly, the way you're going to position yourself is your feet are going to be flat on the platform. You're going to, again, make sure that your ankles are not up. They're going to be flat. And you're going to, again, similar to the leg press, you're going to lift it off, remove the safety catches on both sides, go all the way down as comfortable as you can, again, without your butt coming off of it. Go all the way back up, do not lock your knees, and then you're coming back down, and you're continuing for, again, 8 to 12 reps. Go to the top, put the safety catches back on, put it down, lower it, and that completes your sets. This is called the leg extension. The purpose is to work the quadriceps. Effectively, you want to get the opposite position down here on the feet where it's just above your foot and it's comfortable. So you're going to start by extending your legs to a straight position as comfortably as you can. Go back down and stop it before the weight stack hits, and then right back up. Continue the repetitions until you complete your 8 or 12, and then when you're done, simply put it back down and you're done. This machine is called the lying leg curl. Very important with your positioning. Knees should be just right where the pad is, and ankles should be generally in the same position we're here. If it's too far down here, your leg will slip off. If it's too far up, it'll be too easy. Again, you're lying in a comfortable position, and then you're simply bringing the pad all the way up as far as you can do it comfortably, and then down slow just before the plate hits, and then before it hits, you go right back up. And again, 8 to 12, put it at the bottom, and then you can simply stay there for your next set, or you can stand up to take a bit of a rest. Again, resting 30 to 45 seconds. Next machine we're going to be talking about is the abductor. So what you're going to do is you place your feet in the middle. You're going to pull the release down in the bottom. You're going to spread your legs out as far as you possibly can, and this will be your starting position. Then you squeeze in until it goes together, and then you go out as comfortably as you can, and then you complete your 8 to 12 reps. And then when you're done, you're simply going to go back to the beginning position, relax your legs when you get to the beginning position, and make sure that it's all the way at the end, and then pull the pin up to release it. And that's the end of that one. Very careful, make sure you do not release the pin when you're in this position if the weight is still on, because it will bang the weights back down. Again, be very careful that you're not hitting the weights at the bottom end, and there's always weight on it. Next machine we're going to be talking about is the abductor. Effectively, what you're going to be doing is opening your legs as wide as they can, as comfortably, and then go back down and stop just before the weight hits, and then back out, and then back in. Once you finish your 8 to 12, you're simply going to put it back to the beginning position where they touch and get off of the machine. This is always the starting position. If you don't see it in this position, just simply lift the release and put the weights back down to the point where they're supposed to be. The back extension machine is something we use on both days usually, so this is going to help strengthen your lower back. So effectively, what you want to do is position your lower back so that it is right to the back of the pad. There is no area that it isn't touching. Then you're going to lean backwards, and you're going to go as far as you can, even if it means hyperextending your back a bit. And then go all the way back down, just before the plate hits again. And before the plate hits, you're going to repeat the motion right to the back, and you're going to complete this for your 8 to 12 reps. When you're done, simply put it down, and then you're going to take a break and wait for your next set to start. The machine that you're likely going to use on every workout is for your abs. We're going to do 4 sets of 8 to 12. Effectively, you want to make sure the pin is back as far as it can go so you get the full range of motion. You're just simply going to lean forward as far as you can, going down, and then come back all the way up just before the plate hits, making sure that there's always weight on, and again, continuing until you have 8 to 12 reps completed. When you're done, just simply put it down and carefully get up because you are in a hyperextended position, so you're going to have a little bit of time to get out of this without falling. Just be careful.